Crafting warm, cool wood furniture and craft ideas for home decor. So like the video, click the subscribe and press the bell icon. Hey craft aspects, today we are dividing into the world of wood crafting, exploring cool ideas, furniture, and home decor that what a wood touch warmth and creating to your living space. Let's embark a journey of woodworking wonders. So if you are new here or if you like these ideas, so please like the video and click the subscribe and also press the bell icon. This video share to your friends and family members. On this video you can see more furniture cool ideas. Rustic wood coffee tables to store your woodcraft journey by creating a rustic wood coffee combining reclaimed wooden planks for a table with an heart and legs for industrial touch. The natural reconstruction and north of walls will give you a living room and cozy live-in feel. Floating wooden shelves elevate your storage can with floating wooden shelves. Crafted from sturdy reclaimed wood, these shelves not only provide a functional storage solution. Like the video, click the subscribe and press the bell icon. For your favorite books, plants or decorative items. Wood plant stands bring outdoor and outdoor wooden plant or stands of varying heights and style of showcasing. Your favorite indoor plants turning your living space into a green have achieved different wooden finishes and personalized touch. Wood sliced wall art can create wood sliced by turning them into a unique wall art. Arrange size slice for different sizes and shapes into a mesh marring patterns to create a stunning focal point with a wooden slice mosaic. This natural organic decor will infuse your home with arty vibes. Layered furniture revitalize the old panels layered for transforming them into a functional and trendy furniture piece. There you have a wood craft effects from massive coffee table and geometrical wall clocks. This feel cool wood furniture and craft ideas for sure to bring warmth and character to your home. If you enjoyed this video, you give a thumbs up, subscribe for more crafting inspiration and share your own wooden creation in our comments below. Until next time. Geometrical wood wall clocks combine functionality with aesthetics. By crafting geometrical wood wall clocks, experiment with the different wood stands and shapes to create a style piece that doubles as a statement wall decor. These clocks seamlessly blend form of function. Wooden holders upgrade your kitchen with a handcrafting. Wooden holders craft from soul holder add a touch of warmth to your cooking space. Happy crafting. Thanks for watching. If you are new here, kindly like the video and click the subscribe and also press the bell icon. Happy crafting. Thanks for watching. Like the video, click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share your